Welcome to our comparison video, where we explore two innovative portable countertop dishwashers. On one side, we have the Gudsunal portable countertop dishwasher, which boasts a 7L detachable water tank, 6 versatile washing programs, and high-temperature hygiene features. On the other side, we have a competing model that offers 4 cleaning modes and the convenience of automatic water absorption from a bucket or faucet. Let's dive into the details and see which one stands out in terms of functionality and design. The Gudsunal portable countertop dishwasher features a 7-liter detachable water tank, making it ideal for small spaces like RVs and apartments. This allows for flexibility and ease of use without needing a permanent hookup. In contrast, the competing model offers the convenience of connecting to a bucket or a faucet, which can be beneficial for users who prefer not to refill a tank manually. Both options have their advantages depending on the user's needs. When it comes to cleaning capabilities, the Gudsunal model offers 6 different programs, including hybrid drying and a high-temperature hygiene mode that can reach up to 192 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures thorough cleaning and sanitization. On the other hand, the competing dishwasher provides 4 cleaning modes, including drying and disinfection, but lacks the variety of programs that the Gudsunal offers. This could be a deciding factor for users who prioritize versatility in their dishwashing. The Gudsunal portable countertop dishwasher is designed with a sleek black finish that complements modern kitchens, while its compact size makes it easy to store. Its user-friendly interface allows for straightforward operation. Meanwhile, the competing model's standout feature is its automatic water absorption capability, which simplifies the setup process for users. Both designs cater to convenience, but the choice may depend on aesthetic preferences and ease of use. In conclusion, both the Gudsunal portable countertop dishwasher and the competing model offer unique features that cater to different user needs. The Gudsunal stands out with its larger water tank and more cleaning programs, while the other model provides flexibility with its automatic water absorption feature. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.